RLM returns extension is an enhancement to the standard RLM returns module and is the result of a joint development by Absoft and TAC. A new returns document transaction is central to the development and is called from a new branch of the standard RLM menu, just here. The document interface is completely changed to provide a better and more productive experience for the user. Information is divided into three areas: header, item list, and item detail. Each of these can be hidden or displayed. Personalization options allow defaults to be set and retained between sessions. The item list uses ALV functionality, which allows easy change of standard and user-defined layouts. Items may also be displayed in a detail area, which is not available in the standard transaction. Navigate to different items using the dedicated navigation buttons, or by selecting an item from the list. All the functionality of the standard transaction is retained, and the new transaction continues to use standard configuration options. Documents are still stored in the standard database tables and accessed using standard functions. This means no conversion is required. The new transaction can be used to process old documents, and new documents can be processed using the old transactions. In the old transaction, an Add with Reference menu option is used to copy items from reference objects, such as plant maintenance orders. In the new transaction, these options are replaced by reference lists, displayed to the left of the document, like this. To copy reference data into the returns document, simply drag and drop the items, like this. As well as reference lists for networks and plant maintenance orders, there is a list of recently posted returns documents, and another list of template returns documents, which we can pull up like this. Template documents are maintained using a special transaction and are used to help process returns that are repeated regularly. The reference area includes several options to manipulate the lists, including one to save the contents of a list for future reference, and another to display a list automatically each time the reference area is opened. Additional customer-specific lists can be added through customization by writing an ABAP class with a standard interface. New fields are included in the document. For example, dangerous goods information is recorded here. And here, on a different tab, you can record the destination address for items that will be sent out for repair or scrapping. New tabs can be created in configuration to maintain your own customer-specific data. Certain fields, such as recommended action, are difficult to use in the standard transaction because values change for different operations. We have added configuration to identify which values are valid for which regions. Each region is defined according to country, plant, or shipping point, and the values are then limited according to the region to which the returns document is assigned. Returns items are workflow enabled. They can be updated by external workflow tasks, for example, after packing a delivery. Or they can be used to trigger tasks, for example, an approval dialog prior to scrapping an item. Finally, we have enhanced the returns work list in the same way as the returns document. Data is selected using a standard selection screen and displayed in two areas, item list and item detail. Subsequent processes are selected for execution from a list of valid options. For example, return to stock. And that concludes this brief overview of RLM enhancements. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch.